Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a vendor ledger in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and rename the initial sheet to Vendor Ledger for clarity. Next, set up your column headers. You will need columns for date, vendor name, invoice number, a brief description of the transaction, debit, credit, and a running balance. Remember to format your debit, credit, and balance columns as currency to ensure accurate financial representation. This foundational setup is crucial for effective tracking. Now let's focus on recording your transactions. When you make a purchase from a vendor, enter the amount in the credit column, as this increases your liability. Conversely, when you make a payment to a vendor, record that amount in the debit column, reducing your outstanding balance. It is vital to include the date, the specific vendor, and a unique invoice number for every single entry to maintain clear and organized records. Calculating your running balance is key to understanding your financial position with each vendor. For your very first transaction, the balance will simply be the initial credit or debit amount. For all subsequent rows, you will use a simple formula. This formula takes the previous row's balance, adds any new credit amounts, and then subtracts any new debit amounts. This ensures your ledger always reflects the current outstanding amount. Maintaining an accurate vendor ledger requires consistent effort. It is highly recommended to regularly reconcile your Excel entries with the statements you receive from your vendors. This practice helps catch any discrepancies quickly. Always remember to save your Excel workbook frequently to protect your valuable data. For enhanced visibility, you might consider using conditional formatting to highlight any balances that become overdue, providing a quick visual alert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.